To change your phone number on Venmo, first open the app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings gear in the top right. From there, go to either account or profile. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your app version. Next, tap on your phone number, delete the old one, and type in your new number. Venmo will send you a verification code via text. Enter the code to confirm the change. If the code doesn't arrive right away, tap Resend Code. You can also try texting start to 86753, which helps enable Venmo's short code messages with most carriers. If you've lost access to your old number and can't log in, Venmo may require you to verify your identity using an ID, linked bank account, or other personal information. You can also contact their support team directly through the app for assistance. Make sure your new number is active and able to receive text to avoid delays. After updating, double check that your new number is reflected in all connected devices and services linked to Venmo. This ensures you won't miss payment notifications, friend requests, or security alerts. Keeping your account information current not only prevents interruptions, but also strengthens the security of your Venmo account, protecting you from unauthorized access or login issues. It's also a good idea to inform friends or family who frequently send you money about your new number so payments aren't accidentally sent to the old one. Additionally, review your linked bank accounts and cards to ensure everything is still connected correctly. Regularly checking your account settings helps you avoid potential delays and ensures smooth transactions every time you use Venmo.